Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make the modern black farmhouse tutorial in SketchUp. Okay, first of all we can make the rotate rectangle in here. We can click from this position. It's around around 3 meter maybe. It's around 3 meter and this is 6 meter, and enter in here. Okay, and now we can click and push it up. Type around 300 millimeter in here. Enter. Now we can triple click and make group in here. Okay, then now we can just move in here. Okay, now we can select move, type control. Okay, and then now we can move it up. Type around 3.5 meter in here. Okay, this is 3.5, and we can triple click and we can push it up a little bit in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the rectangle in here and click from this point to this point in here and click and offset it inside just a little bit in here. Okay, then now we can push it up in here and triple click and also make group in here. Okay, so this is the basic models, and after that now we can make triple click this one and make the door in here. So this is the 2.1 meter in here of the door, 2.6 meter, but we have to move it down in here to make a little bit lower. Okay, then now we can push it to the behind in here. Okay, and this is about the large window in here, about the large window of this tiny house. Okay, so this is about the example of the door and window. Okay, and this is about the door of this tiny house, and we can offset it inside in here a little bit in here. Okay, just make this one and click and push it to the behind 100, and just double click, make group. Okay, now we can make the door in here and just offset it inside in here and erase. Okay, now we can click this midpoint until to this point in here. Okay, you can make group, double click, make group, and select color and select the dark color in here and select the glass. We can select this one. Okay, now we can click and select move, type control. Okay, this one, and then now we can make the rectangle. Okay, and offset it inside in here. Okay, this is the large window. Click from the midpoint until to the another midpoint in here. Okay, make group. Okay, just like this. Okay, maybe we can make the another dividers of this window. You can push it to the front, double click and make group in here. Okay, we can make component and then just create, and we can select move, type control, and just place, type 3 slash and enter in here. Okay, so this is about the window, and maybe we can add more large opening in here and push it to the behind in here. Sorry, you can click and push it to the behind in here and just make the rectangle in here. Okay, now we can click and push it to the behind and make the large window again in here. Okay, triple click and make group and assign about the materials and select the transparent window. Okay, and after that now we can make the decking in here. Anyway, the tiny house is not only about the outdoor. It's not only about the indoor but also the outdoor space in here. Maybe okay, this is just a little window. It's look like a kitchen maybe. Okay, you can make this one and make this one. Okay, make this one, and okay, we can assign about the glazing in here. Okay, and make group. Okay, we can add the another bench in here. So this is just for a little bench in here. Okay, and select move, and we can push it to the behind in here and make the curve in here and just place and double click, make group, and we can select the wood and select this one. Okay, we can add more space in here. Okay, select move tab control and just place in here. Okay. Okay. Then now we can make like a little table in here. Okay, just like this. It's look like a little label, and then now we can add the wood materials. Okay, or maybe we can make this one, or maybe I just make this one, and then now we can select the concrete materials for the base fundamentals in here. And okay, maybe we can add more details in here. You know, you can assign about the materials on this position in here, just like this. And okay, now we can make the another decking in here. This is like outdoor decking. We can use it with the concrete materials in here. Okay, just like this. And maybe we can add more canopy. We can add more canopy in here. It's just a simple canopy in here. Okay, and just make group over there. Okay, we can make group in here, and click and move it up in here just a little bit, and move it down in here. Okay, we can make the little support in here. I think it could be support this one, and we can add on this appropriate position in here. And okay, and after that, now we can add more component like a planter box in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, can make group and select landscaping. Maybe we can just select this one. Okay, and now we can adjust the texture. We can type 200 in here, and okay, we can add like wood materials for the planter box in here. And after that, now we can add the dark color in here. We can assign it with the dark color. We can choose this dark gray. We can choose this dark gray for the exterior only in here. For the exterior. Okay, this for the exterior. We choose dark gray, and we can just select the light gray for this one. Okay, and okay, we can select the line in here and select move tab control and just place type 9/enter in here. Okay, and cut. Okay, and just place in place and erase some unnecessary line here, and just erase this one in here. Okay, we can select the line again in here, in this position in here, and just select move tab control, type 8/enter in here. Okay, I can select the line and cut this one and just place in place. Okay, you can erase, and erase, and also erase this line in here, and erase this line in here. Okay, so this is the elegant conceptual. Okay, we can assign this one. Okay, anyway, so you can explore more about this 3D model in here, and we can also add the component. Sorry, I've already prepared about the component. We can use this one and select move and just place the position in here. But now we can explode this one, and we can explode again in here, and just scale. And just scale in here to be simple, a simple component in here. Okay, to be simple component, and we can just make group and select a move, and okay, we can select move. Okay, and then now we can duplicate this one. To be another planters. Okay, and now we can put the silhouette. So it's it will make more representative, or okay, just like this, or maybe we can make it more casual. We can put this one in here, and okay, and just like this. Okay, then we can assign about the shadow. Okay, we can assign about the shadow position with our desired 3D model in here, and also set up about the profile materials in here. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be beneficial for you about the tiny house inspiration. Okay, we can delete. Okay, and then this is the another view. This is the sitter area in here for outdoors. Okay, this one, and you can make the barbecue area in here and on this space. Okay, and this is the combination between the patio and also the interior of and also the room of the tiny house itself. So the tiny house is not only about the interior but also the semi-outdoor area for fun activity, for the daily activity. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.